Hey guys, we're back.
Hey guys!
We're back with another Pokemon break. We got another Twilight Masquerade booster box here. Now this is the first box from a brand new case. So it's going to be very interesting to see how this case compares to the last one. So let's open this one and see what we're blessed with. Alright, here we go. You know the drill. My dude's got his popcorn to hold the best one. Pikachu will hold the second best one. These guys little hat on. So he's going to give us a special delivery. Let's see how special it is. Here we go. Wow, these things are like stuck in here. Like crammed in there. Uh-oh, starting off with fire. Is the hit gonna be fire? Is the case gonna be fire? Well, we're on fire for Yeshua. And you know this. Where's Dipplin? Bass Pro Shop. There's Dipplin. Anything good? Miami Dolphins. Oh, man. You've gotten this one. Not a lot, but a few times. But we'll take it. Alright, one pack, one hit, one duplicate. The last case was averaging 13 to 15 hits per booster box, so let's see what happens. There's one hit spot down. Applin, where's Dipplin? Anything good? Anything? Alright. There's my dude's energy. There's a love ball for you. Anything good? Anything? You know whose energy that is. Where's the good one? Where's your boy Leafeon? Ha, there he is again. Anything good? Anything? Alright. Oh, psh. Yeah, they're like you said, they're all stuck together. Yeah, that's the first time that's happened. Yeah, that's funny. Bender bending girders. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Alright. Moving right along. This is the pack that jumped out. Uh-oh. Was it on fire? Is that why it jumped out? We're on fire for Yeshua. And you know this. Snorlax. Anything good? Oh, we already got this. Anything else? Nothing. So, it jumped out because it was a duplicate. Alright. 2 hits, 2 duplicates. Major League Baseball, Chancey Billups. There's your girl. You got her twice. Where's Applin? Festival Grounds. Where's BRcade? Anything good? Oh, dude. Another stop to Duplicate Town. Alright. 3 hits, 3 duplicates. All we want is something we don't have. And 3 hit spots taken up. How many more? There's my dude's energy. Miami Dolphins. Oh, where's the good one? Miami Dolphins. Ah, where's the good one? Anything good? Nothing. Oh, where's the good one? Sunflower, sunflower. Oh, well, you knew we were going to get a pink card. These pink cards love us. Ace Spec, I'm Ace. Anything else? Sometimes there's some, though. Anything? Nothing. Four hits, 4 duplicates. All right. All the stops so far have been the Duplicate Town. There's your boy's energy. He's got to shock the rest of the box awake and leave us shocked. Where's Applin? Anything good? Bender, bending girders. Nothing. Whose energy that is? Droopy Joe. Miami Dolphins. There's a love ball for you. Anything good? Nothing. My dude's energy. Oh, I already got the good one. Droopy Joe, anything good? Anything? Oh, man. Got this one quite a bit, too. Another stop to Duplicate Town. Alright. 5 trips to Duplicate Land thus far. How many hit spots left? Wow, we still got a lot of packs to open too. Uh-oh. Is the hit gonna be fire? We're on fire for Yeshua, and you know this. Where's the blessed helmet? Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Major League Baseball. Where's Diplin? Sunflower, sunflower. Danny Phantom, anything good? Anything? Nothing, Jack Skellington. There's my dude's energy. Danny Phantom. Festival grounds. Where's BRcade? Bug catching said, I need that. Anything good? Oh, dude. Wow. Another stop to duplicate town. Wow. All right. Roof bonnet says BR. Anything good? Anything? All right, here we go. Pack 17. What's that, John? That's right. John spending all his summer vacation down by the pool, just chilling. Let's see if he's got anything in his pack. Uh-oh, it's your boy's energy. The hit gonna be shocking. It's gonna leave us shocked. John's pack finally gonna have something. Anything good? Anything? Ah, John. Alright. Last pack from the right side. A lot of hits. All duplicates. Always blessed. Just wonder how many are left. And of what quality. You know whose energy that is. Torkel, ready? Told you. Community center, go shoot some baskets. Bass Pro Shop. Anything good? Oh, wait, yeah, we got that. Wow, another hit, though. Anything else? No. Yeah, pretty sure we got this. But we'll take it. All right. First pack from the left side, you know the spiel. Some kid would have won a jackpot. And turned in his tickets and asked for a pack of Pokemon. This is the pack you would have got. This would have been the first pack they put out, the first pack Adam put on display. So let's see if he should have kept his tickets or bought some candy. My dude started out with my dude's energy. Uh-oh, anything good? Anything? Dude, again. Wow. Well, I don't know if he would have been satisfied with that, so maybe he won a big jackpot and had enough to buy 2 packs. So let's see if he should have bought 2 packs or went outside and rode the bumper boats. Uh-oh, fire. Is that hit gonna be fire? We're on fire for Yeshua, and you know this. There's a love ball for you. Speaking of Yeshua, anything good? Anything? Nothing. Alright. Should have went and rode the bumper boats. But let's see how many hit spots are left. Yeah, cook it up. Anything good? Anything? Oh, again. Oh, man. All aboard to the duplicate train. All right. That whole pile is duplicates. Lots of hits, but all duplicates. Dude's energy. Chancey Billups. Anything good? Anything? League Baseball. Miami Dolphins. Where's the good one? Jamming Tower, jamming out to Steely Dan. Oh man, where's the good one? Anything? Nothing. Alright. There's your boy's energy. Gotta shock the rest of the box awake. Leave a shock. There's your girl. Anything good? Anything? Oh, wow. This guy. Teasing, teasing, teasing. Already our first Greninja sighting. Alright. My dude's energy. Diplin, where's Applin? Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Jack Skellington. Alright. Know whose energy that is. Dreepy Joe. Oh, where's the good one? Where's the good one? Dude, another unfair stamp. This makes like 3 or 4 for us. Anything else? Anything? Nothing. Dude. Another hit spot. Another duplicate. Alright. Another stop at Duplicate Town. That whole pile is all duplicates. We just want something we didn't have. Uh-oh. Fire. Is that hit gonna be fire? We're on fire for Yeshua, and you know this. Anything good? Anything? Nah. Eevee, already got the good one twice. Applin, where's Diplin? Or, wrong way. Oh, we already got him though. Wow. Yep. Second time getting this guy. Anything else? Nothing. Wow. Another stop to Duplicate Town. Alright. About 8 packs left. How many hit spots left? My dude gonna hold anything? Is your dude? Mario Leaf. Applin, where's Diplin? It's your boy Leafy on. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Danny Phantom. Where's the blessed helmet? Where's Diplin? Anything good? Nothing. Alright. Boy's energy. Gotta shock these last packs awake. Leave us shocked. Snorlax. Oh, where's the good one? Anything good? Anything? Oh, dude. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Getting towards the end here. Running out of hit spots. Oh, man. A lot of them sitting there. All duplicates, though. Mario Leaf. Applin, where's Diplin? Festival Grounds, where's BRcade? Yeah, cook it up. Anything good? Nothing. Golly. Diplin, where's Applin? Oh, I already got the good one. Anything good? Anything? Alright, last 3 packs. Let's see if there's any last packs blessings with an S. See what's left, if anything. A lot of hits there, but all duplicates. Root Bonnet says BR. Bug catching said I need that. Farfetch, no Torkoal behind that. Anything good? Oh, dude. Wow. Wow, 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 man. Alright. Last 2 packs. Mario Leaf. Chancey Billups. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Alright. Last pack. All duplicates. Neither one of our guys holding anything. Let's see how it ends. Haha, with your boy's energy. Is he gonna leave us shocked? Miami Dolphins. Yeah, cook it up. Jamming Tower, jamming out to Steely Dan. Anything good? Anything? Nothing! Alright guys, we're back with a recap. Well, 14 total hits. Every single one a duplicate for us. So here's everything we were blessed with. Another one of these, another one of those, another one of these, another one of those, another one of those, another one of those, another one of these, another one of these, another one of those, another one of these, another one of those, another one of those, oops, another one of these, and another unfair stamp. Now, was that box unfair? Nope, because we're always blessed, guys. And we got plenty more Twilight Masquerade breaks coming up, guys. So until the next one, God bless and thank you for watching.